You want to hear something? This is Mitt Romney's health care plan. Okay? This is what you'll get. You vote Republican, and this is what you get for health care.
But then secondly, with regards to my health care plan, let me describe what I think is the ultimate conservative approach.
Okay.
In this country, you have today about 47 million people that don't have health insurance.
Correct.
We went out and tried to find out why they don't. We found out that about half of them could afford to buy insurance.
You bastard.
If it were reasonably priced. They could afford to buy it, but they weren't buying it. And we asked them why, and they said, well, why should we buy it? If we get sick, we can go to the hospital and get care for free. And we said, you know what? If somebody could afford insurance, they should either buy the insurance or pay their own way. They don't have to buy insurance if they don't want to, but pay their own way. But they shouldn't be allowed just to show up at the hospital and say, somebody else should pay for me. And so we said no more free riders. It was like bringing workfare to welfare. We said if you can afford insurance, then either have the insurance or get a health savings account, pay your own way, but no more free ride. And that was what the mandate did. It said you've got to come up with either the insurance or health savings account or alike.
It defies words, doesn't it? You can't go to the hospital because he doesn't want you to have a free no more free rides. What about an ambulance ride? No, you're going to have to pay. But that's like $800. Too bad. So word to the wise. If you elect these, you're going to have to buy health insurance or have a health savings account. See, that's the problem with poor people. They don't know that they should be putting money aside. Think about that for a minute. Health care savings account. That is a Republican fantasy. Mitt, the middle class can't make their mortgage payments. What are lenders going to do when I fail to make the installment plan on my kidney? Can you imagine what the collection agencies will do to you? They'll come and repossess your freaking liver. I mean, honestly, this is amazing. No more free rides, people. No more showing up at the hospital with your sick baby in the middle of the night because you don't have... Oh, no, no more of that. No, you're getting a free ride when you stagger into that emergency room with a gunshot wound to the head. You're going to pay. Doesn't he read a newspaper or look at any research before he gets up there and holds himself out to be the next president of the United States? Doesn't he understand that almost half, in fact more than half, of all these bank foreclosures are due to some medical emergency that people either were underinsured? And what's he going to do about that if he cobbled together a few bucks to get the lowest costing health care plan with a $5,000 deductible? Holy crap, man. They are so out of touch. And then, of course, the other big fight was who can support this war more? And, of course, John McCain will be there forever. Mitt Romney will be there for infinity and beyond. He is Buzz Lightyear. Oh, my God. That's who's holding himself out to be president. Oh, they're so twisted. Is anybody worried about either one of them? I'd like to know. 48 after.